Hi guys, this is Parishte and you're watching me on Movie Talkies. Now we are here at Cinepolis to do the public review for the god of cricket Sachin Tendulkar's film Sachin A Billion Dreams. तो बिना कोई टाइम वेस्ट करे जाकर जानते हैं पब्लिक की राय।
Sachin! 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 Sachin!
So how was the movie?
It's not a movie, first of all. It's an experience. You have to go in the theaters, have goosebumps on your body and just watch it and enjoy and experience it.
Great. I am diehard fan of Sachin Tendulkar. I give 6 rating.
It was very good actually. Nice direction and good background score.
It was awesome. Good.
Excellent.
It's awesome.
Awesome.
It was great.
Awesome.
Yeah, it is totally inspirational movie and awesome.
Awesome. Very good. The film was brilliant.
It's awesome.
It was a very good movie.
Yeah?
I absolutely loved it.
Very emotional movie.
मैं तो हमेशा नेट पे भी सर्च करता रहता सचिन जी को, हमेशा देखता रहता रोज़। तो मुझे उसमें वही शॉट जो मैं देखे वो भी नज़र आए, लेकिन वो जो शुरू से एंड तक वो दिखाया गया है वो अच्छे तरीके से पेश किया है। बाकियों की तरह फिल्म नहीं है, एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री अलग चीज़ होती है। बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में जो मसाला डाल के बना तो वो अलग होती है। ये जो है वो सामने है सचिन तेंदुलकर कैसे बने, या सचिन तेंदुलकर गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट कैसे बने, कैसे शुरू से एंड तक कितनी मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ता है, कैसे एल्बो प्रॉब्लम वो दिखाई गई, कैसे उससे बाहर आए वो दिखाया गया, और कैसे उनके डैडी जब डेथ हुई उनको पता चला वो बाहर थे तो वो वापस आए, उसके बाद फिर उन्होंने सेंचुरी बनाया, अपने पिता को याद किया, वो सीन सब दिखाए गए। लेकिन बीच में लोग इमोशनल भी हो जाएंगे, बीच में लोग ये भी कहेंगे कि हमने ये शॉट पहले भी देखे थे, ऐसा भी होगा। लेकिन मेरा यही है कि जिसने भी ये फिल्म देखनी है वो इसके कारण देखें कि शुरू से एंड तक जो सचिन जी ने किया है हम भी अगर उसी तरह करें कि शायद सचिन तेंदुलकर की तरह बन जाए।
Very emotional. Probably for all Sachin fans like me, it's been very nostalgic. Really difficult to still come out with the fact that he's no longer playing. So this was an opportunity for us to relive all those wonderful moments what he has given to us. And now probably I have never cried so much like I did now. I bunked my office and came for this, and it's very worth of the penny. Everything. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. Probably I'm going to get a headache because of the crying what I did, but it's worth it. It's an amazing one.
What was so different? Have you seen MS Dhoni? What was so different in this movie?
Yeah, MS Dhoni was more about his personal life. This was more about cricket and India.
Therein, Dhoni was not playing himself. Like there was some other character who was playing. Here it was Sachin himself. So that makes a lot of difference.
Quite different because this is more on the docudrama part. That was a proper feature film which was made by taking an actor. This is Sachin himself in the film. So I won't compare the both of them because they are two drastically different genres which have been shown.
It was a documentary, it wasn't a film, but it was so original and the behind scenes were like, it had Sachin's voice in it, so it brought more originality into it.
What was your favorite part in the movie?
Of course, the 2011 World Cup part when Sachin says about his feelings, what he felt at that moment.
Of course, Sachin, that's our favorite part.
Mine has been the last retirement one, wherein he's been accorded that kind of a welcome, and that Sachin, that is something which is still is popping in my ears, and his dedication to come back and play for the country after his father expired, truly something very difficult to comprehend. If he can come closer to that kind of
He's
a thing.
totally an inspiration.
Absolutely, the inspiration for everyone, whether it is corporate life or a sportsman or for everybody. Now, how can you come back to life and do everything for yourself and for the country? It is something really wonderful.
Everything is favorite. It's the favorite part in the film. You cannot pick one because it's a journey which you have to walk through it. But his biggest dream, India's biggest dream, that's the favorite part. That's the World Cup.
The World Cup and the last part also.
Everything, because as a Sachin Tendulkar's diehard fan, it's like a treat to watch. For me, it was living up those years again and again when I was growing in 90s. As a 90s kid, I was very emotional in that movie.
In the end part, the Sachin sir retires. That part was shown, so it was really emotional.
When उनके father expire हो जाते हैं, तब भी वो continue करते हैं. It was very touching and very emotional.
There have been certain proud moments in his life which have been showcased very nicely, and it's just an experience. Just go and watch it. You cannot rate it. It's beyond words.
How many stars did you give out of 5?
10,
4.2 something. 5.
4, 5.15.
5 out of 5.
10 out of 5.
5.
5 दूंगा.
ये थी पब्लिक की राय. So guys, do go and watch the film. But before that, do like, share, comment on our video. And for more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Movie Talkies.